Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean and protect your leather with Gyeon LeatherCleaner and LeatherCoat. So let's get started. First off, Q²M LeatherCleaner Mild is the perfect solution for daily maintenance and pre-coating precaution of leather upholstery. It doesn't contain any softening additives and doesn't leave any residue that could potentially interfere with a quality ceramic coating. Q²M LeatherCleaner Mild leaves a fully matte finish and is suitable for all modern leathers. It might be used on coated leather too, not removing any coating and gently cleansing the surface, as it removes light dirt, oily residue, and even light discoloration. So for the purpose of this video, I've already cleaned and protected the backrest, so I'm going to show you the process with the seat. Always start off with a thorough vacuuming and spread the leather so you can get all the contaminants out of the seams. And when that's completed, we can move on to our cleaner. Apply the leather cleaner to a horsehair leather brush. Now with your brush, just scrub lightly and work in small sections so the cleaner doesn't dry out on you. Now you're going to use 3 different microfiber cloths. This first one is to wipe off all the contaminants. As a helpful tip, remove the dirt with your microfiber cloth in a straight motion. That way you don't risk rubbing the dirt back into the leather, and also flip your cloth over periodically. Then use a slight damp microfiber cloth to remove any suds. Now that the center is cleaned, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the bolsters with the same process. Now that the entire seat is scrubbed and wiped with a dry and wet cloth, now take your third and final microfiber cloth and just wipe down the seat thoroughly to ensure that everything is dry. Now that we're cleaned and prepared, let's look at LeatherCoat. Q2 LeatherCoat is an advanced ceramic technology combined with user-friendly characteristics. Q2 LeatherCoat is very easy to use. It just requires proper cleaning of the leather prior to ensuring a good bond. Then simply apply it to a microfiber cloth or applicator and just wipe it in an even layer. With durability up to 3 months, this hydrophobic coating provides protection from liquids, sweat, dirt, and also dye transfer from jeans and other clothing that can discolor your leather. It also provides strong protection against UV rays, allowing you to keep the freshness of the colors for a long time, even in hot and sunny conditions. As most modern interior car leathers has a factory matte finish, Gyeon made sure that Q2 LeatherCoat leaves an invisible layer that does not affect the look or feel of that soft leather trim in any way. It simply coats the leather to ensure its good looks remain the same as if it were the first day that you bought it. And after you've applied an even layer of LeatherCoat, just simply buff it off with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any extra residue. And that's how easy it is to protect your leather with quality Gyeon products. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I reply to all. Plus don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.